Seen this LQ4 out of like a 2002 Suburban on Facebook Marketplace. Guy had it on there for $1,000. Get down there and it's locked up solid, and he said, well, I might as well just throw it out in the yard ornament. And we said, well, sorry we wasted your time, bud. And start to leave, and he says, hold on, back your truck up here and I'll put it in there. And he ended up giving it to us for free. So it's locked up solid. We're gonna pull it apart here. It's very rusty. There's a driver bank on some of the rockers. They're pretty rusty. Let's see what we got. Let's cut them.
Take your those are the flex plate bolts. Not really worried about these because we're not using them. This will get an adapter bypassing all this. Come on.
Water or something in that. Oil, water, what the hell ever. Guy said it sat in a field. I'm gonna set these right down here in the way.
As usual. Yeah.
I'm gonna set that in the way. Throw these in this box. Can clean these. You can clean these, and or you can just buy new ones. You put, it's like a sealed bearing. It keeps the little needle bearings from coming out of it. Waiting to see a bent pusher rod.
Well, whatever the issue is going to be, it's more than likely going to be on that #1 cylinder right there.
Probably. You can clean them up too. Put them in your ultrasonic.
No.
No?
No.
Let's get new ones.
You going to clean my ultrasonic out?
No.
Ooh.
The 317 heads are probably the worst, besides the cast iron heads, that they ever put on an LS. I'll probably.
What's that? It looks broke. Anything missing on the head? You got metal in there. Did you use that extend?
I'm gonna take that extension off. Never
Ah.
mind.
Some more metal.
What the hell that's out of?
I don't know.
It don't look like it was happy whenever it did it though. A piece of piston? Hmm. That one's seized. That one's evidently fucked.
What's that bottom of your head look like?
Clean. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. More metal in the head.
What?
And more metal in the cylinder. What kind of shit in there? I don't know what the hell that is. The underside of the passenger bank. Probably gonna throw those heads away. I don't think they're worth the metal they're printed on. So both front pistons on both sides of the engine are seized. You got shit in that head. I don't know what it is. That cylinder. Put it on there, you're gonna play with it.
I'm gonna play with it.
Well, it's clean.
Ish. Alright.
I will still oil in it. Get one of your mats.
I'm trying to rust that up. I don't see oil. See lots of antifreeze.
There's oil coming out. Oh, I bet you that's out of the filter. Whoops. I think they make
We do. being dinged.
It's nudge. Ew.
Well, there's definitely plenty of water in there.
It's just the pistons that are seized. There's nothing wrong with the crank or anything. You see. It's stuck solid.
So at this point, all we can do, flip it back around, clean the cylinders out, and dump some WD-40 and all that good crap down in there. And let her sit.
It's relatively clean on the bottom side.
It ain't the bottom side is the problem. Top side. Yeah.
Ew.
Okay. So, all we can do